Alright, so folks, this is Brownie Lake. I'm going to try to master some stuff here today. This is a lot like riding Piedmont and Duluth. In fact, I can't think of any other place that's like Piedmont other than this. And there's lots of little teasers right there. Fairly easy blue trail. Oh, clean it. Come on, you can clean it. Okay, this thing has always been somewhat of a... okay, I bumped the tree. Other than that, I made it. Oh yeah. Now, hey, I can do this one. That one is like so much easier than the other one. All right. It's a beautiful day to ride some rocks. It just turned out to be just a beautiful day. I mean, cold snap, yeah, but people just deal with it. People, you have obstacles, and you deal with them. Oh, that was a rough roll. That was a really rough roll. Ride everything as close as I can, and I'm going to do... My camera is tilted all the way back. I'm going to do the one of the black diamonds. This is actually a pretty easy one. I'm going to try to hit everything. And it is super leafy back here, so I'm like, ramp the rock. Oh yeah. Fallen branch. I don't remember where the big rocky sections are, nor can I see them. So that's definitely the easiest of the stuff here at Brownie Lake. And this one here, I'm going to skip for the moment. All right, folks, I came really close to cleaning this one last time. This is probably level 2 for difficulty here. Crap, where do you go? I hope I'm going the right way. Yeah, this is right. Okay, here's where it gets bonkers. Ah! Woo! Oh. I'm confused with the leaves. I'm very confused. I've actually cleaned this one, but I was confused with the leaves. Alright, I'm going to do this one. I forgot about this one. This is the second. And I believe it's just an uphill rock climb is all it is. Ooh, you just gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. Oh yeah. Now, I don't recall if that's the one I cleaned or not on the other bike. Alright, folks, pupils and space aliens. This is attempt 3. I know I can do this. It's a quick up and down, is basically all it is. Right here, you just jump, slow down a little bit, then you get your momentum going, and then you plow the freaking road. Oh yeah, so you just gotta plow it. That's all there is to it. That's actually pretty easy. So I think I'm done at Brownie Lake. Woo! It has been an eventful day, and I'm going to ride other trails. Yeah, it wasn't for the leaves. I tried that other one. It's the one right before that I almost cleaned. And then it's the one before that I don't think I've ever done. Like bike park gear. Almost. Well, we're going to do the drop kick of force in the mouth, aka soft loop, aka quaking bog. Has many different names. We want to do that a few more times, maybe. I like to write hard stuff first, and then go back to the easy stuff.